Now I've placed my lining right sides together all along. It matches up the shoulder seams, the middle seam. Remember, there's a gusset in the middle, so there's a little tuck here in the middle. And then I've sewn or pinned it even on the hem. And you can see where some of this hem is failing. So once I turn it right side out, I'm going to reattach that hem, and it's sewn, it's pinned all the way around on the facing and the hem. And then if you remember, I left an opening in the lining. So I'm going to turn the whole coat right side out through that opening. I've turned our jacket right side out. It's gorgeous. The lining is quality. I closed the opening that I turned it through. I've got this little give in my hem. Remember, the hem was failing, so I'm going to tack that down better. To do the sleeve, I pushed the lining through, and I'm just going to turn under the edge and attach it to the cuff of the coat and just blind stitch around. I'm going to do tiny stitches so that it will hold. The coat is finished. I love it. The lining is quality. My fingers don't get caught in the threads. I'm not embarrassed to take it off. I hope this video has helped you feel like you can do this too. Please subscribe. We're going to have fun doing many more practical videos just like this. Thanks for watching.